Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I posted a tutorial, so here it is. It is an Indian wedding guest makeup look, and let's begin. So I have already done my brows and the base. I'm taking this shade from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and applying that as my transition shade. So I'm using a big fluffy brush to do that. Now taking this shade, I'm going to apply that on the area just below the transition shade, and I'm just going back and forth with the same brush. Now taking this deep brown sort of a shade, I'm going to apply that as my crease shade. So first of all, I'm concentrating that on the ends of my eyes and then slowly blending it towards the inside. So I'm using a smaller brush, blending brush. So I'm taking the Sigma E25, I guess. It's a dupe for the MAC 217. So I'm just going back and forth and then slowly intensifying the color. Next, I'm going to take that fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend all those shades. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer and I'm going to do a half cut crease, and I'm doing it with an angled brush. I feel like an angled brush works the best for me to do the cut crease. And then I'm going to add this color on top of the area where we applied the concealer. So I'm going to do it with my finger as well so that the color is a little more intense. Now I'm spraying some Fix Plus onto a small detailer brush and applying this Duochrome Topper shade from the same palette on top of that matte shade which we applied. Next I'm taking this purple color because I had to add purple. I love purple on the eyes. So I'm just applying that between that brown shade and the Duochrome shade just to have that gradient look. And I'm slowly blending it and then adding that brown on top again to intensify the outer corners. And for some extra glam, I'm adding this shimmery shade on the inner corner of my eyes. Now, I suck at doing the eyeliner on cam, so I'm trying. I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper to draw a wink liner, and I'm just cleaning it using some concealer and an angled brush. Next, I'm going to take this Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage for my under eye circles. I absolutely love this for correcting dark circles. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm just blending that and I'm just going to apply some concealer, which is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. So I'm just concealing and highlighting at the same time. So I'm just applying that under my eyes, and then for foundation I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and since it's a matte foundation I added a drop of facial oil and then I'm just buffing that onto my skin. And I'm using the Morphe brush which I always use to apply the foundation. Now I'm just blending that concealer. Now I am going to apply some banana powder underneath my eyes to set the concealer. Now for bronzer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and just warming up that face. And I'm also using that to kind of like contour my nose. Yeah. Now for blush, I'm going to use the shade from the Sweet Cheeks palette by NYX and added some Huda Beauty lashes. Now I'm applying that color which we added on our crease on our lower lash line and then adding that brown shade using a pencil brush. Now I'm just taking this black shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and applying really close to the lash line. Now for highlighter, I'm going to apply the Makeup Forever Profusion Highlighter. I really love this. I think it's a very underrated product. So highlighting my entire face using that. And of course adding some kohl. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara, which is the Essence Rock and Roll Mascara, and then for the lips, I'm going to line my lips using the NYX lip liner in the shade Cappuccino and slightly smudging it. Now for the lip color, I'm going to add the Keiko Milano liquid lipstick. It's such a beautiful shade. I absolutely love it. And adding some Fix Plus and then applying the gloss at the other end of the Keiko lip product. That is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It's sort of like neutral but at the same time glamorous. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, if you like it, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends if you like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you guys so much.